Hello and welcome to my system.io tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use system.io in the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you the following thing. I'm going to show you how to create an opt-in page where you will offer anything for free, like free ebook, free training, or whatever you want. You will offer anything for free in this video to capture the name and email address of your visitors. So when your visitors will give their name and email address and click on this button, then two things will happen. First, they will be redirected to this thank you page, and also they will get some automated email. Like immediately they will receive first email where you will provide them whatever you have promised. Suppose you promise them to give a free ebook on losing weight, for example, then they will receive that freebies immediately in the first day email, and second day they will receive another email, third day they will receive another email, and it is totally automated. So I'm going to show you how to create it in system.io. I hope you understood. So first we are going to create this opt-in page and thank you page. For this, what we need to do, just go to funnel and click on this plus create button. After that, give it a name. So it is our opt-in page. So you can write anything you want. Let's give it a name like landing page. So you can give any name you want. I'm just giving you a demo. That's why I'm writing landing page here. And our goal is to build an audience. That is, we want to collect name and email address of our visitors. So that's why I have selected build an audience option and just click on save button. And as you can see, it has created landing page funnel for us. Just click on it. And here, as you can see, there are two pages, squeeze page and thank you page. Squeeze page is nothing but our opt-in page, and thank you page is this thank you page. I hope you understood. So first page is the squeeze page, that is our opt-in page. So just click on it, and as you can see, there are lots of each page template. So let's select one which will look attractive. Okay, so personally I like this landing page template. It is a very simple and attractive. So we are going to use this landing page template. Okay, so what you need to do, as you can see, there is two options: preview template if you want to check the template, and there is select option if you are ready to use this template. So I'm going to click on select button, and as you can see, the template has selected. So if you want to change the name of this landing page, then you can change it from here. So it is our opt-in page. So I'm just writing opt-in page here so you can understand it in a better way. And if you want to change the URL of this page, then also it is possible. Just write something very simple like opt-in. Okay, you can write anything. So I have changed the URL and the name. And after that, what you need to do, just click on edit page button. So it will open landing page editor in a new window, as you can see. So we want a simple landing page where there is a heading, an image, a small description, and this form, because simple landing page converts better. Okay, so we are going to delete all the unnecessary thing from this page, like this menu. So for this, what you need to do, just hover over this menu icon, and here you will get delete option. Just click on it and click OK. Okay, and similarly we are going to delete all the unnecessary sections from this landing page. Okay, we don't need it. We want a simple landing page because it converts better. So as you can see, now this landing page is very simple and attractive. Suppose I am offering a free ebook on 15 effective way to get more affiliate sales. So as you can see, I have written a very attractive title, free guide, 15 secret strategies to get more affiliate sales. And here you can change the description if you want. Just click on it, and you can write anything you want. Give your best email address to get this guide in your inbox. Okay, you can write anything you want like this. And suppose if you want to change this image with your photo, then what you can do, just click on it, and after that you will get an option to upload your image. Just click on select file, and you can upload your photo from your computer, and you can upload it here. Okay, so it is very simple. So as you can see, this page is ready. So what we are going to do, just click on save change, and let's go back. So our opt-in page is ready. Now we are going to design our thank you page. So all you need to do is just click on this thank you page option from here, and you will get some pre-designed template. As you can see, there are lots of pre-designed thank you page template. Just select the one which is looking good. Okay, so personally I like this template. It is looking good. So what I can do, I can click on this select button. So I have selected this template, and after that I can change it to thank you page. You can give any name, and you can also change the URL like TY thank you in short. I can write like this, Okay, so you can give any name you want according to your requirement, and after that click on edit page. Similarly, you can edit this page, and we are going to remove this unnecessary thing like menu and all these things. So just delete it, and also we don't want this section. I will highly recommend you to use this thank you page as your bridge page. Okay, so here, so what you can do, you can add a video here, okay, about your on product. Suppose if you are selling any product, then you can promote that particular product through your video in this page. And also if you don't have any product, then what you can do, you can promote any affiliate product here in this page. Okay, so you should use this thank you page as a bridge page to get more conversion. So as you know, in our opt-in page, I have offered a free ebook on 15 effective ways to increase affiliate sales. It means that they are interested in increasing their affiliate sales. So in the thank you page, that is in our bridge page, now I'm going to promote an affiliate product, that is system.io, and I'm going to show them how to create bridge page with system.io. So definitely it is very similar to the opt-in page ebook. They downloaded our free ebook because they are facing problem to increase their affiliate sales. That's why they have given us their name and email address and downloaded that ebook. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another step like how they can increase their affiliate sales by creating an affiliate bridge page with system.io, and I'm going to promote system.io in this page, and I will add a video about how to create a bridge page with system.io. I'm going to add a video about it, and I'm going to promote system.io. There will be a call to action like get your system.io free account and create affiliate bridge page, something like this. So I hope you understood. So let me give you a live demo here. This is my YouTube channel, and here is a video about how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing for free with system.io. So in this video, I am promoting system.io. Okay, so let's copy the link, and here just click on this video icon, and there are multiple options to upload your video. Suppose if you have video file in your computer, then you can select upload file, and you can click on this icon to upload your file. And suppose if you are using Vimeo and any other platform, then you can click on custom embed option, and you can click on this edit code button to add your video. But I'm using YouTube, so I'm going to select direct link option from here, and I'm going to paste my YouTube video URL. So as you can see, it is showing here, and in this video I have promoted system.io in a natural way. So let's write something interesting in this page that will encourage them to watch this video. So let's drag and drop text element here. So let's write something interesting. Thank you for signing up. Your free ebook will be arrive in your inbox within 10 minutes. Okay, so write something like this, and let's increase the font size a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, it is looking very good. Now let's write something interesting here that will encourage them to watch this video. So as you can see, I have written a very interesting title. So here is a first, let me read it. Thank you for signing up. Your free ebook will be arrive in your inbox within 10 minutes. It means that they have 10-minute time. So after reading this line, so they have definitely 10-minute time, so they don't need to check their inbox immediately. So definitely they want to check other element of this landing page. So after this, we have written watch this video to know my secret strategy. And here, as you can see, there is like written free affiliate marketing landing page. So definitely it is related to what we have offered in our opt-in page. That is, they want to increase their affiliate sale, and this video is all about this. So definitely they want to watch this video to know my secret strategy of increasing the affiliate sales, and they will watch this video and know about how to create affiliate bridge page with system.io. And after that, they will definitely click on this button to create their system.io free account, and they also want to create their own affiliate bridge page with system.io. So definitely they will click on this button. So let's write a strong call to action in this button. Okay, so just click on it, and after that you will get option to change the text of the button. Write something like create your own affiliate page for free. Okay, and let's increase the font size a little bit. Okay, and so now it is looking good. Okay, and also there is line height is very less, so I'm going to increase the line height. Okay, so now this page is ready. And if you want to add your affiliate link in this button, so what you can do, just click on it, and here is the option. So you should paste your affiliate link here. system.com. Okay, so I'm just writing it like this. So you should paste your affiliate link here. So let's see the entire thank you page that will work as a bridge page for us. So thank you for signing up. Your free ebook will be arrive in your inbox within 10 minutes. Watch this video to know my secret strategy. Okay, and here is a video about how to create affiliate bridge page with system.io, and here is a call to action like create your own affiliate bridge page for free. That will redirect them to my system.io affiliate link, and suppose in future they will upgrade to a paid plan, then I will get a commission. So in this way you can use this thank you page as a bridge page and you can get more conversion and affiliate sales with this simple hack. So after doing all these things, what you can do, just click on save changes and go back. Okay, so far we have created our opt-in page and thank you page. So now we are going to write some automated email like day 1 email, day 2 email, day 3 email, day 4 email, day 5 email, like this. And after writing all this email, we will connect this email, automated email, with this opt-in page. Okay, so there is only two things remaining, like writing this automated emails. After that we will connect this automated email with our opt-in page. Okay, so let's write first this automated emails. So all you need to do is just go to email, click on campaigns, click on create new, give it a name like my email sample campaign, and click on this save button. So as you can see, it has created sample email campaign for us. Just click on it, and here we are going to write this day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 and day 5 email. So what we can do, just click on create button. So whatever your subject line, write it here. I'm going to write first email here because it is our first email. So you should not write first email, second email, third email like this. So you should write your subject line here. Okay, I'm just giving you a demo, that's why I'm writing it like this, so you can understand it in a better way. Okay, so sender name is obviously my name, Sumit Saw, and after that click on save. So as you can see, our subject name is first email. Suppose if you want to show anything, any extra text just below your subject line in your subscribers inbox, then in that case you can write your preview text here, but it is optional. I'm not going to write entire email here because I'm just giving you a demo. Okay, so you should write your email here, and after that just click on save and publish. And here this is our first email, so I'm not going to select anything from here. And after that delay is 0 day. It means that this email will be sent to their inbox immediately. Okay, and delay is 0 day. It means that they will receive this first email immediately. Okay, but suppose if you want that whenever anyone will give us their name and email address and click on this opt-in button, then we want to send first email after 10 minutes that we mentioned in our thank you page. So we want to send our first email after 10 minutes. So what we can do, just go to campaign. This is our first email. So delay is, let's say, 10 minutes. So write 10 minutes here. It means that this email will be go to our subscriber inbox after 10 minutes of subscribing. So let's click on activate. So I hope you understood. So just so again click on this sample email campaign button, and to go back to this step and click on create. So now we are going to write our second email. So let's write something like second email. So sender name is my name, Sumit Saw. Just click on save, and here you should write your second email here. Okay, and after that click on save and publish. And we want to send the second email after our first email, and delay is 1 day. It means that anyone has received our first email today, then we want to send our second email tomorrow. Okay, so that it means that delay is 1 day. So that's why I'm going to select delay 1 day, and I have selected this email will be sent after first email and delay is 1 day. It means that if our subscriber has received our first email today, then they will receive our second email tomorrow. I hope you understood. Just click on activate, and let's click on this sample email campaign again to return to this step. Click on create. I'm going to write one more email so you can understand it completely. Okay, so this is our third email. Sender name is Sumit Saw, and let's click on save. Okay, so write your third email here and click on save and publish. And then this email will be sent after. So we want to send third email after our second email. That's why I have selected second email here, and delay is 1 day. It means that if our subscriber has received our second email today, then they will receive our third email tomorrow. Okay, I hope you understood. Just click on activate and click on exit. Okay, so far we have written 3 email. As you can see, first email will be go to our subscriber inbox after 10 minutes. they will receive second email after 1 day of receiving first email, and they will receive third email after 1 day of receiving our second email. So I hope you understood the process. So you should remember this campaign name because we are going to connect this with our opt-in page. So name is sample email campaign. So this is our email campaign name. Okay. Okay. So far we have created our opt-in page, our thank you page, and we have written this automated email that will go to our subscriber inbox one by one every day. So the only thing that is missing here, we have not connected this email campaign. Okay, so we have not connected this automated email with our opt-in page. So that's what we are going to do now. Okay, so this is the last step. So again, go to funnel. So we have created this landing page funnel. I hope you remember. Just click on it, and here we want to, connect our opt-in page with this email campaign. Okay, so that's why I'm going to select this opt-in page. Click on automation rule, and here click on add rule. Funnel step form subscribe. Okay, just click on three dot, click on edit automation rule, click on add action, click on subscribe to a campaign. Okay, and what was our campaign name? Just click on this drop down menu. So I hope you remember our email campaign name was sample email campaign. Okay, so I'm going to select it and click on save rule. Okay, rule has successfully updated. Okay, so it means that now we have successfully connected our opt-in page with this email automation. Okay, so now I'm going to show you this entire funnel. So we have successfully created all these things. We have created opt-in page, we have created a thank you page, and we have written some automated email, and we have connected this automated email with opt-in page. Okay, so now whenever anyone will give us their name and email address for getting access to any free thing, then they will be redirected to this thank you page, and also they will receive this automated email one by one every day. I hope you understood. So let me show you how it will look. Let me open. So this is our landing page URL. Okay, just copy it and let me show you a live demo. So let me open this page. Okay, so I hope you remember we have created this opt-in page where we have offered 15 secret strategies to get more affiliate sales. So I'm going to enter a fake email address here just to give you a demo. Okay, so I have written a fake email address here, and I'm going to click on download now button. And as you can see, it has redirected us to a thank you page, and you already know that I have used this page as an affiliate bridge page where I am promoting my affiliate product. So as you can see, thank you for signing up. Your free ebook will be arrive in your inbox, and it means that this email will be received to my inbox after 10 minutes. And here is a catchy title: watch this video to know my secret strategy. And here, as you can see, there is a free affiliate marketing landing page written here. It means that it is relevant to what they are looking for. So definitely they want to watch this video and they want to increase their affiliate sales. And after watching this video, okay, so after watching this video, they will understand, okay, so we can use system.io to create affiliate bridge page, and it is free and we don't need to pay anything, and also it will help us to increase the affiliate sales. So definitely they want to click on this button, create your own affiliate bridge page for free. They will click on this button and they will create their system.io free account. And suppose after they will upgrade after 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year, then also I will get an affiliate commission. So this is all process. And suppose if you want to know how many people has subscribed to your funnel, then what you can do, just go to landing page, click on opt-in page, click on leads, and here you can see how many people has subscribed to your landing page, that is opt-in page. I have covered everything in this tutorial, like how to create the opt-in page, how to create thank you page, how to write automated email, how to connect your automated email with your opt-in page. And I have also given you a live demo of how it will work, how to check your leads like this, how many leads you have. So you can check everything like this. So I have covered everything in this system.io tutorial. And by the way, if you haven't created your system.io account, then what you can do, you can check the link in the video description and you can create your system.io free account. By clicking on that link, you can get lifetime free access of system.io. So if you want to support this channel, then you can use that link. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.